I'm very proud that Amsterdam has the opportunity to be the pilot city for the World Smart Capital project in 2013.
Amsterdam being a world smart capital is first of all an opportunity for Amsterdam. Because what we're trying to do here in the Amsterdam region is to be one of the smartest environments of the world.
Knowledge can go all over the world, but value is always created locally.
It's a whole bunch of pilots we've been executing within the last 5 years. Adding intelligence to the energy grids, enabling people to generate as much local energy renewable energy as they want to. Another example is to come up with new light solutions.
Data is everywhere. You need the data to get the information you need to build a system or maintain a system or the way of living.
So we're really looking for combinations of using infrastructure with innovation in a new way.
And this is where the cities meet each other.
Where we really look to Amsterdam for is how they've built these public-private partnerships. And so if you want to be a smart city, you really have to take a much more holistic approach.
This process requires a trust and a connectivity in the social sense.
We have all types of open infrastructures, and we want to use this vehicle to invite people to come up with their own ideas, to come up with their own solutions.
And often it's about connecting people, connecting different parties who don't talk to each other.
And I think Amsterdam has been one of the best cities in terms of really getting that participation from the citizens and then also from the private sector, and really taking sort of a society-wide approach rather than sort of a top-down government initiative.
So the new approach, we are experimenting with it in Amsterdam.
We just enable creative people to do something, and this brings such an energy in the city that I've never met before.
Why is Amsterdam different? How can we do this differently than other countries? And what makes this a real Amsterdam project rather than just a general smart grid project?
What Amsterdam is doing differently than all other cities in the world is that we tend not to work with a blueprint of how a city will develop within the next 10, 20, 30 years. But Amsterdam is, well, you can consider Amsterdam as an open platform.
We must share our knowledge, experience and ideas so that we do not merely repeat each other's mistakes.
The sharing of knowledge between and among the cities, starting with Amsterdam, is critical to the entire process of the World Smart Capital Initiative. Other cities that might want to be involved need to look at Amsterdam, and Amsterdam needs to project its lessons outward.